Alright, y'all, welcome back, Scrappers, to Ian Mathews Challenge Part 3. This is going to be it. I'm going to have it done today. We're going to set the handle. But I did, thinking throughout the week, that I am going to re-weld that. So we're going to get out the old little Harbor Freight MIG welder and fill that in. We're going to re-sand it and all that kind of good stuff. So let's get her set up here and we'll get you in the cradle. Alright, y'all, so here we go. We're gonna fill that little void in. Got my welder set. I am burning 030 flux core wire. So we'll see how this is gonna work. I think this is pretty clean. Actually, I just hit it with some old, I think this is 60 grit paper. So put a little clean on there. You want your, whoops, my aluminum vice jaw fell off. You want to clip your wire clean. Only want a little bit showing, maybe 1/4 inch. If that, maybe a little more. But anyway, we can get this party started. We're going to fill this in for you guys once and for all. I hope. I think I might have got it. I'd say I got it. Get this baby put away. There goes the other vice jaw. So we got it. Let's see what we got here. What do you think? Think I got it? Alright, so check it out. We're going to set this handle. I brought it over to the 1x30. You saw the little things. I kind of like beveled the edges here a little bit. This thing is not filling. So what I may do is take the advice of, I can't remember who told me this. I got to look in the comments. But one of you guys said that it could have been like a soft blow on this side. So I'm going to just one day maybe try to drill through it again. And then retap it for something and custom make something on a later day. But this is still going to be usable, and it is, I guess, for the most part, restored to work again. A lot of these deep pivots still I'm going to keep because I do like a little bit of the character. First, actually, you know what? I think I'm going to bring it over to the fiber wheel and try to polish it up a little bit. Let's do that instead. Then we'll set the handle. But what I do too is I use this epoxy, and to plug the holes, this is a little hack my granddaddy taught me. Take some little screws that fit in there and just screw them in and everything stays pretty much dry. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so I got this polishing compound. On my last video, it smells like 3D art class in high school and ass. Just so you guys know. Alright, so I just went over to the fiber wheel. Sauce over there. Got a pretty good shine. There's the freaking thing. I swear we're going to fix that on a later date. But, that's pretty good. That's what I'm going to go with. I mean, I could take it down. Could take it down a little more, but like I said, I like these pits in here and the dings, and it just gives it a little character. That's just the way I like my stuff, I guess. I want to keep the history, but make it still, you know. I mean, you've seen what it looked like when we started, right? Alright, so let's set this handle. I'm just going to epoxy it and bash it right back in. I think this will work. There's plenty right there, probably even too much. Clean this off. We'll put our screws back here in a second. Cool thing is, like, once you actually cut the hole for them, they go right back in. Pretty good. Like, and it keeps your epoxy nice and sealed up, and it keeps that keeps the, you know, this tube part here from, you know, getting shitted up from your epoxy. So yeah, done. Let me find something to mix it with. Something I don't really care about, like this other piece of cardboard. All sorts of stuff in your shop trash, people. Mix that together. Get it on the wood. And I just took this down a little bit with some sandpaper, just to give it that little oomph. Okay. And sit tight. Then on my last episode of this, I was a dumbass, and it's a two-sided hammer, but since I was gonna use this part, you know, on the weaker side, or on the, you know, put it on the side I don't use a lot, so we're gonna put this on the soft blow side. So that's this right here. And we're just gonna tap the end. Another dead blow. Oh. There it goes. It's getting there. Then that there. Handle is set. Now I'm going to take more epoxy, put it in the crevasse, and then we will sand this down after it is hardened. And there she is. Just wipe the excess off. Doesn't mess with our good finish. Probably set another wedge in there. And it just so happens, then I feel like I'm going to cut this wedge in half. Alright, y'all, so check it out. Here she is. Handle, I put that Minwax wood finish, gave it a nice dark color, and then I sanded it down again and kept these detents, or these carvings, or whatever you want to call them. I reused the handle, I epoxied it, and I put another, I just used this right here, took my nippers and cut it like, you know, cut it small, and smashed another one in there. So that's all opened up nice, you can see it right, I don't know if you can see that. Right here, let's see what we got. See it right there. Yes, sir, there. Then you can see here, it kind of split a little bit up into here, but that's okay. And there's the wedge, it was in there last time. Again, gonna do something with that, later date. But yeah, that's it. This is it. It's not a fully restore, but it's definitely back in service. Thanks again, Ian Mathews, for the challenge. I hope everybody likes it. But yeah, there she is. CC Scraps. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.